Welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to go and teach you how you can go and make money online while sitting at home. Now people sometimes come to me and say that I don't have any skill at all, how I can make money online. Now if you don't have any skill, there's another way for you. So you have to work harder, bit harder. Now you say I already work in my office 8 hours a day. So if you think in that way, you can work for 8 hours and guess what? You have a boring job. So 9 hours you have a boring job, you have to sit in order to make some money. So same thing is going to apply it from this Hive work, and it is going to go and pay you every week if you cross $10. Now how it works is basically you have to give some qualification test. You have to prove them that what is going on and what is, for example, let me give you how this actually works. Let me give you an example. There's artificial intelligence going on around the world, and only humans are smarter than artificial intelligence. So it is actually we are helping robots to understand like what a human looks like and what a dog looks like. So you will have some tests when you start on this Hive work. So I will add the link in my description. You can go and look forward for clicking on that link and go to this website. You have to go and register yourself, add your name, or you have to register for PayPal. You will get some earning from it. For example, I have spent like 10 minutes on this website and earn 0.05. Now that's for 10 minutes I'm getting that money. It's very good. So if I spend for 8 hours on this website, I'm going to make some money out of it, and every day I can earn $10 from this website. For example, I'm going to go and give you a leaderboard. So over there you can go and find out like in a week how many people earn. So within a week this Harley Quinn has done 29,600 tasks and earned $88. This Harley Quinn is actually crazy and number one only. So if you see I'm 13,000 ranking, that means I have not make money, but still 13,000, that means 13,000 people are actually earning from this website right now. So over here you can use like $62 in a week. If I go on last day, in one day, how much people earned? Harley Quinn earned $12 in a day and completed 4,251 tasks. I spent like 278. Now what is task? Let me go and show you. For example, there's a questionnaire. For example, over here you get featured job. People are actually looking for people look for high pay money, and they just go and work on it. So you will have some test. It will explain you what kind of a question is there and how you can go and identify how to work on it. It's basically very easy. Any teenager can do that. Nothing hard at all. So Times Square the vehicle. This is like 3.5. You have to go and answer 1,000 clicks. For example, they have a question, do you like me or do you don't like me? So do you like me means good, you don't like me means bad. So you have to say answer yes, no, true, false, true, false, true, false. If we click on true, that becomes one task. If you click on false, for example, yes, no, yes, no. So question is going to be yes, no, yes, no. If you see a dog, click on yes. If you see a human, click on no. So it is going to be there's an image of dog, you have to click yes. There's image of human, you have to click on no. So you know where is human. Now human may face on right side, left side, backward, front. You understand that is basically human, and we are actually helping a robot to understand that it's a human and it's a dog. Now it can be a small size, big size. You understand that, so you have to go and do the test accordingly, and that's how I came across. In 10 minutes I did 278 tasks clicking on yes, no, yes, no, and that is going to go and give you money. But remember, you have to qualify, you have to give tests, you have to be active on each of them, and that's how you will go and earn some money. For example, I'm going to go and show you one of my status Over here, I have given like person, which I told you, person and dog, and I had completed 13 tasks of it, and I got $0.002. You can go and get the details on that. You can't sit with us. It was an English test. I have to click on yes, no, and that what I made 265 tasks, $0.53. So right now I have 0.05. So if I click on payroll, you will go and find out my current balance, and if I hit 10,000, I'm going to go and get some paid each and every week. They are going to give, for example, on Tuesday they are going to pay me from PayPal, and it is going to go and come to my account. So it's a very easy task. Just go and work for like 10 hours. You might get some money out of it, but remember, it's a boring job, but you can go and make some money while sitting at home. If you're just thinking nothing is going to happen, you have to work and you have to make money out of this coronavirus while sitting at home. I don't want you to be poor or have a breakdown that no money is coming in, everything is going out. So just go and make some money in your account while sitting at home, and I'll see you guys next time.